Oh, it's you again. Hi guys, Shep from Laser Tools here. Here we are, back with another episode of Stay Connected. So, locking wheel nuts, the bane of everybody's life. The customer turns up with the vehicle, doesn't know where the key is. After 20 minutes of searching, you finally find the key, only to find it's damaged. Let me introduce the new locking wheel nut remover tools from Laser Tools. One of the most common wheel nut problems is the Magard style wheel nuts. With this kit, we simply have blades, which are double-sided. We select the blade and put it into our holding tool, deciding whether we need the large end or the small end. We then take the tool, impact it into our wheel bolt or nut from the end. This will then form a new drive socket, and then we impact with our impact driver supplied in the kit, and thus undoing the wheel bolt. You can now see that the blade has formed to the shape of the wheel nut. The blade can also now be used to remove the rest of the wheel nuts on the vehicle. Also within the kit, we have two more cutting blades which can be used to remove other styles of locking wheel nut. Within this kit, you should be able to remove most locking wheel nuts fitted to vehicles on the market today. Also available are two extra adapters for wheel nut removal on Jaguar and Land Rover. These can be purchased separately. So, memory savers. Here we have our rechargeable professional memory saver, which is also new into the laser range. So why do we use a memory saver? Sometimes on a vehicle, when replacing the battery, it may be necessary to keep codes for radio, seats, etc. within the vehicle. We can connect this memory saver to the vehicle via either a 16-pin OBD plug or a 12-volt supply through a cigarette lighter or auxiliary socket. To use the unit, we simply plug in our relative socket, switch on the unit, ensuring the battery is fully charged, and then we can proceed to replace the vehicle battery. This is a very useful tool for any workshop when it may be necessary to replace a vehicle's battery. So, Adblue systems. A lot of modern vehicles are fitted with Adblue, but as vehicles get older, things start to fail. Like the Adblue pump. With this kit here, we can check the flow of Adblue from the pump to the rest of the system. It's easy to use. We simply connect our pressure gauge in line from the Adblue pump, reading the running pressure from the pump. If access is difficult, we also supply in the kit other pipework for gaining access to difficult to reach areas. This is a useful tool for diagnosing Adblue system problems. We're spoiling you with all these new products, and yet here's another one, our 3-piece flexible tool tray kit from Laser Tools. Each of the 3 trays has separate compartments, so for storing bits, sockets, and as I said, very flexible, but also scratch resistant. The flexible rubber design makes a refreshing change from your typical rigid magnetic trays. And finally today, let's take a look at these new electrically insulated work boots. When working on electric or hybrid vehicles, there is a risk of electric shock. These boots will provide you with up to 1000 volts of insulation. Not only are the boots insulated, they are also stylish, lightweight and very comfortable to wear. They are also slip resistant and heat resistant up to 300 degrees C. As with all safety boots, these are no different. They come fitted, rather than steel, now with a composite toe cap. These are a great all-round work boot, whether being in the workshop or out on the road doing recovery. So guys, that's all we have time for today. I've got some minor adjustments to make, but until next time, stay connected and stay safe.